Hi guys, today I'm going to share this Rode mic which I bought from Amazon, and you may be wondering how we can buy these products in Pakistan. But there are some ways, some websites, some companies that recently started taking orders for Amazon in Pakistan. And I will make a video on how you can do it later on. So let's continue with this product. This product has name Video Mic Me directional microphone for Apple iPhone and iPad. This is interesting, isn't it? By the way, many people said that this product or microphone may be only for Apple iPhone and iPad, but since it has 3.5 mm jack, so I was thinking to use it or test it with some other Android phones like Samsung, Q mobiles, and other, which are quietly used in Pakistan. And I am pretty much sure that it will work. Maybe it won't give us that best result that it is designed for Apple, obviously. It's from Rode microphones. Most of our guys may already know that this brand is one of the best brands considered in microphones market. This is the top brand in microphones. Many professional videographers use these mics. Not this one actually. It's a small version, but it is still best as considered in micro Apple iPhone and iPads. Small directional mic for mobile device like iPhone and iPad, especially it is the one which is used widely nowadays. Make sure to watch the whole video and share your experiences with us later on. Thank you. So let's show you the project, and it's time to open it up. And one of the best products, I still like it. So this is how it looks, and how let's open it. So this is the mic. This is the main thing. This is the quick start guide, and this is the from chemical stuff which drops from I don't know what. Um, so maybe it's useless. So this feels nice, by the way. This for I don't have cat because but this furry type hairs makes me feel good. So that's out of the topic here. It has a plastic inside this fur, and this is the mic inside, and this is the fur. This is a windshield, obviously, so you don't have to worry about wind when you're outside. Hmm. Good one. So, video mic, microphone made in Australia. Okay, so let's have our device to test this mic. So, this is iPhone 5 on which we will test our mic and how it works.
Okay, hello. I'm recording this, and I think it will work good, amazing, outstanding. And let me take a word from this high quality microphone and incredible audio. So let's see if it has incredible audio.
Let's unplug it, play the video.
Okay, hello. I'm recording this, and I think it will work good, amazing, outstanding. And let me take a word from this high quality microphone.
And indeed, it works exceptionally good. And let's record another audio without the mic, and I'm sure you are going to hear the same voice. Okay, so let's record another video. Okay.
No, without nothing, with nothing. Hello, this is Serious Easy Solution Guy. He doesn't joke. And this is iPhone. And now are you guys? Let's hear it. Video. No, without nothing. With nothing. Hello, this is.
As it is directing at your size, so that's how it is directional mic. It has a fur and you can cover this with this fur and then it will reduce the air sound. It will be like this. I'm not fitting it completely, but this will look like it. When you will use it, face your side, or if you are interviewing someone or recording their voice, you can quickly turn it around like this. It doesn't stand still. To avoid this, you can use mount, adjustable mount. Let's use the mount. Let's use it. So this looks like this, and now it is completely fit your phone and it does not go anywhere, so you can record anything like this and my mic will remain fit. And if you want to it to face your face or your side, like your turn, um, like you turn it or turn it opposite and fix this here with the help of this mount. Okay, so now this is set, and use it easily. You can use it. Okay, thank you. Road directional mic me video mic me. It won the competition with versus mobile phones ordinary mic. And this special microphone, I think so, which comes around $80 from Amazon. But I seriously suggest you to try this product right now after watching this video, and you won't buy a better product than this. I don't think so, because this is the top brand and good, but it is quality, but it has a better quality. Its mic is metals made instead of plastic, so it has a good built-in quality and a good design, not very much heavy, lightweight. Make sure to check out this fantastic mic, and don't forget to share your experience with us. Thank you for watching.